I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Ooh.
Welcome back to It's Tanika.
Let's take this overboard now.
I am back with another video, y'all. So right now, we're about to go look at the waterfall. And excuse my bro.
And in the summertime, that's the best tasting water I've ever had in my life. And it's free when they go take that lock off. Cold water, you just pump it, and water come out.
Yeah. So, we're about to go over the water. What is it? A waterfall? Yeah, waterfall. Not a water fountain.
And there might be fishes in it too. Fishes fall over.
We've been on the hunt looking for some fucking turtles. I'm wet. What's that on me? Look at this. Nice scenic view. Yeehaw. But
Another waterfall over there that takes that.
so yeah, we're just doing like a little experiment today. Oh, look at her, my belly. That's cute.
Let's sit right here. Usually have fishes over there.
So y'all, anyways, quick life update. Since my move, I've been doing good. I've been doing well. I've been doing great. I've been just trying to get some rest before tomorrow, which is Monday. Anyway, today is what? May 21st?
Yep.
May 21st. What time is it? It is, let's see. It is 4:35, May 21st, and we are out here chilling though. So like, my man just brought me, my fiance just brought me to those big pyramid. They said this is fried food in a dangerous area, do not enter. So why are we into that? Okay. But y'all, yeah, everything been good. Everything has been good. I just been catching up on some sleep, eating, not much, shedding a few pounds, guys. I had this rough on my body. I said, let me put this somewhere else because it was too freaking hot. But yeah.
You feel that wind from the water.
Oh, it's bugs in there. What kind of bugs is those playing in the water?
Female mosquitoes.
Oh my God. Can y'all see that? Look, flopping around, jumping around. Wow. But yeah, we just had to take some pictures real quick of a view. there to take a picture of the
Come on.
film. But yes, excuse me if I'm looking like the other day. I'm not wearing clean clothes to do some adventurous shit. So yeah.
I might grab a water snake and then Lexington for you. So I don't get bit up.
That is super nice. Oh, look at all the box. That's it. This video won't be very long. Probably not. Oh, she's doing like a pregnancy photo shoot. Paternity shoot.
Big dog.
Woo.
Hello.
Hi.
Border collie, I believe. Is that a border collie? Smartest dogs in the world.
Yeah.
Smartest dogs in the world.
Really? See the doggy? I think it's another dog. Pick another dog over there. Look at this. This is so cute.
Look at this waterfall. That's a little hole that drops off so it can come out there.
Oh, there go another doggy. Hi.
How are you guys?
Good, and
Oh,
you?
that's a beautiful boxer.
Thank you.
That's called a boxer.
It's his birthday. He's 9.
Happy birthday!
Moving like that.
Tell the doggy happy birthday.
That's a European boxer, a German boxer too.
So is it what kind of like
You got American and German.
what kind of dog is it? Is it a good dog?
So much I forgot what kind of breed makes a boxer, but I know it's a bulldog and some type of mastiff. That's what I remember.
Oh, look at my girl doing her selfie. Her selfie. Oh, let me see. Take a picture. Oh, let me see. Take a picture. Smile for your picture. I said smile. Smile.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, that's cute. Wow, I was just going down. No, I'm not letting my man shoes. He got on his sister's shoes. He camping, period. So. Oh, it's a danger. What is that?
All right, it'll be a little history.
Construction area. Keep out. What is?
Yeah.
Come on, Nani.
I'm always saying leave history.
Netto. Look. This is a lot of pretty space. Hello, hi.
Hello. Yeah, I remember when they first put this up. I guess because it's supposed to be raining. Or the bricks are starting to get loose on there.
Can't see the sun. So
But believe it or
fucking
not,
bright.
Let me give you a little history. There used to be a watchtower for when slaves used to run, try to flee, and head south. They used to cut through here. They had guards that used to be up there look for look out for runaway slaves.
Get the hell out of here.
Yep.
Wow.
A water, some type of like a water wheel. But first it was a guard post. Look at the
Okay.
size of that spider hanging at that number. I can see
Damn.
the size
I
of him.
see it.
Told you
Do
to get
y'all
bigger
see
than
that fucking
That's
spider?
a hobo spider.
I can't zoom in.
It's another one right there.
Another one where I don't see another.
Yeah, look at the size of that spider, man.
Damn, can y'all see the spider? It's like, let me see if I point my hand at it. Right there. Okay, it fucked up the focus. It don't zoom in because I'll be on symmetric. Whatever you call it. Let's see. Right there. Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Look at the size of that spider.
Hey, take a picture of it.
My baby, that's it.
Nazir.
We
It's
gotta
another
take a
brick. It's
picture.
another brick up there.
Hold
I'll
on.
show you where I caught my video.
Oh, me and my baby got. Where is it? We gotta take a picture. Okay, let me lean down for your picture. On your phone. Go ahead. Do your phone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is cold?
See that? Oh shit, I'm fucking up.
The berries
You could
are
definitely have a pickup right here.
No.
maybe not. It's 11.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Is water coming that way too?
The waterfall. You guys always to the waterfall.
Oh yeah, I see it. So where else we going now?
I'm gonna take out to the back end.
Is it far? No? When I ain't never did something, y'all be scared. Oh, who is that?
People up there on the mountain, you can hear them talking.
I hear him. What is that? What is that flying?
Look like hawks.
It's two of them. Y'all see those big ass hawks? They're just walking the trail. Walking the trail. So beautiful, y'all. Turtle?
No, make sure you stay.
Oh.
I caught my copperhead over here before.
Oh shit, I ain't going down there.
It's everywhere. I'm sorry.
Y'all cool?
Sure. Yeah.
I'm scared. I gotta stop.
Give me a hand so we go down. Come on. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, that's the...
We got some clean air spring over That's a clean air spring over
Okay, it's scary, but I don't want you in the grass either.
I don't see no crawfish. I would have caught one for sure.
Hey, your mom calling.
My mom?
Yeah. I'm gonna call you right back.
Go to the before. Look you right now. Better come here, look you. Yeah. Son, I got
What is
no
this?
I'll whoop you.
Come on, Nana.
1 second, Inks.
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy. It's a big. Daddy.
Customizing a lot more.
Oh, Children's Memorial Garden.
Dogs for years, and some of them passed away.
Ariana,
Some
you
recent,
gotta-
some a long
you gotta
time ago.
listen. Wait. But listen.
Wow.
But listen.
I like that Love You Forever. 2016. That's the time I came out.
Look at this little bug by your shirt. Look. By your arm right there now.
He just curious.
What Ariana?
Your girl ass brown. Giving
The trees
real
on here is tall.
See that?
brown.
You see the whole thing.
I hate this right there.
It's there.
But yeah. Wish I would have recorded the other stuff I was doing. Kinda.
Wow.
Hey, you know I'm recording, right?
Ain't nothing.
Oh, y'all heard that. That man farted.
They didn't hear that. They ain't hear nothing.
That man shitted in his...
If only you heard it, that means I ain't do it. 'Cause ain't nobody else heard it. Come on, Kyle.
No, they heard it too.
We gonna go.
Didn't y'all hear that? Comment below if y'all heard that man farting. Because I know if I heard it, y'all heard it.
Yeah, and I want to talk to you.
You couldn't answer. You didn't have no service.
I want to talk to you.
We're gonna come back here.
Son, and I want to
My
talk
neck
to
getting a
you.
little bigger.
Daddy, I really want to talk to you.
Yeah. 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 Why? Hey, what?
Dad,
But how's it going?
is you good? Is you good? Is you good, Ariana? Ariana.
This water got deep in it. Look at that water snake.
Where? A water snake. Wait, come on. It's a water snake?
Right there. See him? Straight below me.
I see it.
It's a baby one.
Oh my God.
Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Ain't no way I can catch him. He gonna disappear before I get down there. That's a baby one too. They get huge.
Baby bird?
He's sunbathing.
You gotta be quiet.
Oh, yeah.
So where y'all gonna take me? What's going on? What's wrong with your car? What's wrong with your car?
Because if y'all could just ride in my car since I got
A truck.
a
Absolutely.
Yeah, your little kid might struggle to go up that mountain.
Yeah.
I want to catch that snake, but he gonna disappear.
Mom,
Hmm?
we gotta take a picture.
Okay.
That rod.
Oh.
All right.
Mom,
Hmm.
He looks like he's asleep. His head is down.
Oh yeah, I see it.
That sun.
Is it alive?
Mm-hmm. No, he's cold blooded. They need the heat to get in you.
I like that.
You want the
The
snake?
water is so cool.
It is cool.
You like that snake?
Yeah.
There's no way I can get to him. I caught one before that was like
No.
4 feet.
I say that. Yes.
What kind of snake is that?
It's called a brown water snake.
Oh, okay.
A brown water snake.
Mm-hmm. They get huge.
See it? Wait, wait, wait. I don't want to drop my
That
phone.
one's probably no older than a year. Probably a
So you
little
gotta
over a
take
year.
a picture. Mama,
Yes.
you gotta take a picture.
Okay, come on, let's take a picture.
He's there. There's more over there.
Yeah. Come on, let's take a picture. You wrapped her arm around me. Love you.
Love you.
Are you enjoying yourself? You sure? You having fun? Okay. But anyways, guys, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It's hot.
I gotta bet you, baby.
We're walking, doing a lot of walking. But if we find anything else exciting, I will probably just come back. I don't know. Let me see. I might just stay on this vloggy vlog. I might just stay. I'm gonna stay so y'all can see what Nick been up to. Dog Nick been up to. It's Seneca.
You gotta take baby.
Spring spur. What is what?
I don't know what kind of beetle that is. That motherfucker's huge.
Where?
Right there.
So I think Liz said
You see it?
her and Ryan have done that.
Heck
I
yeah.
don't know what the fuck that is. Might be a stink bug. Or an assassin beetle.
Oh, it's like mushy. Oh.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, that's a dead worm. Come on now. It do feel like fresh air. That's just all these big trees.
Bunch of oxen.
I wish I had a bike. I know my heart would be pumping with a bike.
Oh no, since we out here, I know we can buy
What?
side by side. That 4-wheeler that got 4 doors, like a car, but it's not. It's like it's like a 4-wheeler. They call them side by side right here.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 adults can fit in there. They can go like 100 miles per hour. It'll take us through all of this. We can drive all through here. Go up the mountain with it. Come down. If it flip over, it got bars where it's meant where it can roll back on its wheels.
We've been walking all day. We don't walk that McDonald's the fuck out of us.
Mm-hmm. Yep. The only reason I ain't taking pictures, I done took some pictures of this area.
Yeah.
I had phone flooded with it.
So what's down here?
I don't know what to call it, but it's a big ass pond.
How far is it? Not far.
Yeah, it's just like literally just a little past that curve.
Oh, okay.
Well, Sally.
Y'all, I thought I would not be going somewhere I've never been. I'll be curious. Like, how far are we going? Where we going? How far is it? Because I'm just a nervous wreck type of person. Scary. Scared to be adventurous sometimes. But I'm trying to outgrow that point in my life. So Skylar won't be like that. So she can be looking forward to new and exciting things. Okay.
I'm gonna take out the last ending is right there. This water is super pretty to be right here though.
Oh, it is. It's super crystal clear.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Crystal.
Clean spring water.
Oh, it feels so fucking good. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I almost feel like I'm in a
Paradise.
fucking movie or something.
Look, paradise.
It feels so good and clean.
Look at that deer hook. Look at that deer hook.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah, which means he came and probably came and got some water.
Wow. Look at the other. Hey, what is that in that water down there?
Stick, might be.
That should look like an alligator head or something. You see it?
Hey, I wouldn't be surprised.
Look. Like, step back.
That's
See it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, damn. Right here. As long as it don't move, we cool. If they come this way, we know to get away from the water. This is super peaceful sound.
It's like I want to touch the water. What happened if I touch it?
It's clean spring water. Look how clear it is.
Okay, yeah. I'm going to do something I never did
This
before.
water, you know, you can see the very bottom. It's cold, probably.
Yeah, it's cold.
Go ahead and touch it, son. That's spring water.
You can touch it.
That's spring water.
It's cold.
It's cold.
I like it.
Yep.
Feel better.
You know how clean the water got to be to be.
And it feels like, on your hand, you don't feel like, it's not gritty.
Nope.
Nothing.
100% natural spring water.
It's just fresh.
That's why you can see the very bottom. You can see the very bottom of the water.
I hear it tickling.
Water went down some. The last time I was there, water was deeper than that.
Cold.
I bet you want to stick your feet in the water, babe.
If I ain't had these socks and shoes on,
Oh, you got socks.
If I go change some shoes, some clothes,
You go walk in.
I'll walk over to the log and record while I'm walking to that log. I did it before. Down there, Tamika's husband.
Let's just take our shoes and stuff off and walk in.
These pants tight.
Pull them up a little bit.
I don't know how they let me pull up. Let's see.
If you can fold it? No.
I ain't gonna better go that deep then, because they don't even let me go like right here.
The water even feel like cool on my hand. Pull your shoes, your socks up, Nani. Step up.
The water from the cold.
Cold as hell. My baby.
We're gonna go over.
He's scared of the water.
Well, he's just looking. I don't think he's getting in the water today.
Oh,
He's watching.
it's okay.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold. Cause I stuck my finger. It's not cold.
It's not that bad.
Not bad.
Maybe because it's in the sun there.
Yeah. This water used to be deeper than this. It got low.
It's cold. Oh my God. It is freezing. Oh, be careful.
Some of them rocks are silly. Be careful.
I ain't going in there all the way. I'm just stepping right there. Oh, this shit cold. Oh, it's cold. Go ahead, Lonnie.
Have a good night.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Cold.
Oh, you brave. This water's so fucking cold, y'all. Oh my God. It's cold, ain't it? No?
No, it's
You don't think
so clean, but even when you step in, you can still see how clean the water is.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, this Get it go. Oh.
Y'all in my territory now.
Oh.
Now I got a little challenge for y'all.
What?
Are y'all able to walk all the way to this little drop-off spot?
Man, I can't even walk right here.
Come on, Skylar.
This shit freezing. Shit cold.
Look, she doing it. Oh, yeah, some of the rocks.
I can't be. It's cold. Shit is cold. It's freezing. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's cold.
Baby turtle, but I think it's a shot away.
You sure?
Yeah, I felt something moving up on my big toe. He probably blending in with the dirt.
Y'all, that water freezing.
Come on, Skylar.
And y'all, I polished 4 of my toes and left the pinky one out. Fuck. That's for my sandals.
There you go.
She braver than me.
You're almost there.
She said, "Ow, it's cold, y'all."
Y'all feet ain't used to the rock.
No, the coldness.
Come on.
But what you gonna do for me if I walk all the way over there? Huh? You what? You got me?
Dad, I'm happy. It's not.
You happy, boo?
Yeah. Fake it and a food.
This ain't no food.
It's water.
Yeah, cold ass water too.
What they call it when you walk barefoot? Grounding?
Grounding.
Yeah, you grounding yourself.
Yeah, the rocks hurt, man. That's because you got Flintstone feet. You could do it.
No, it's a certain way you're supposed to walk on. Don't put all your weight on the heel.
Oh, this stuff.
Oh.
Try to walk light foot. Perfectly flat. Yeah, there you go.
Oh. I'm gonna go back again. Oh.
You done made it this far. You might as well. Come on.
The sky look funny.
You done made it this far. You gotta keep going. I'm gonna take a picture. I was in the water too.
Oh God.
Yeah, welcome to my world.
Oh my God. Oh, it's cold. Ow.
Walk flat-footed and light.
Oh, that's water cold.
Yep, as you walk, try not to put all your weight.
Yeah, I see.
Yep.
Oh yeah, and they are slippery.
Yeah.
Oh, slippery.
Algae.
Because it's dirt. Oh,
No,
algae.
algae. The seaweed.
Ah. Oh shit.
I'll take a picture.
My baby's so brave.
Yeah.
Both of them. So brave.
Hold on. Skylar, look out real quick.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hold on, y'all look up real quick.
Oh shit. Wait.
Go ahead and smile, Skylar. Look up at the phone. I can't see, but I can have my eyes moving.
Oh, then my scarf fell.
I like that.
My scarf.
What happened?
I said, where my scarf at? Oh, I still got it. Oh, this water cold. You okay, Buka?
Hold on, let me go get my baby.
My baby come out. Let her go get her baby.
So she go cry.
How your baby name Nazir and it's a girl? Babe, what is this? What is that?
What?
Right there. Dirt? Huh?
Mama, how
There's a probably piece of little leaf balled up.
Oh.
I thought it said a turtle or something. Come grab it.
If I go back this way, Nani, I ain't come back over.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's a log too, by the way.
A who?
A log.
Where?
That thing you thought was alligator.
Oh, it's a log. Okay.
Yep, after a while you master walking and shifting your feet weight.
Into the other thing.
So you walk slow.
Oh!
You're supposed to walk slow.
I am. I couldn't get over there. I asked this man to get in this shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Yeah. I'm under distress. I am under distress. Oh, God. Y'all probably think I'm over exaggerating. This shit is
That made my toes feel relaxing. Welcome to nature.
Feel soft.
Oh, shit. I was betting him to do some shit that I was scared to do. Shit. Throw some rocks, Dookie. They look like turtles.
She did tell me to put the shoes on. Her shoes smell like my work shoes.
Damn.
There you go. You know how to skip rocks across the water?
What
Make
the?
them bounce?
What? What?
Oh, my feet wet.
Oh,
This might be too big. Let me see. Saw it bounce.
I saw it. Oh, I like to have that one. So. Give me one, Nuka. Can I have one, please? You better remind me of rocks.
see, duh.
Okay, here's my rock.
I ain't gonna put another angle.
I'm gonna just throw it. Let's see.
Bow. Just
Oh, yeah, I saw it bounce.
Two rocks.
skip.
Try to get 4. Maybe I gotta put more of those whole speed in there. That one too.
That is.
Make a skip. Yeah.
My baby love water. Oh, I seen that. That was right. Her little rocks sound like turds in the water.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm standing right underneath the tree, y'all. I'm not fucking bugs in my head. Let her hit you. It's okay. We about to take a shower. So we get back to.
Daddy, one more. One more eggs. Things will look
I'm all the way. You reckon it?
Dang, Nani. I wish I did have the shoes my baby had on.
Oh, jeez.
I'll fuck it over. I'll just get another thing. Oh, damn, the water got up to the.
Did it?
Yeah. Probably when I failed a little bit. Almost out. I went to the other water. It was fun.
A bug on my shoe.
Hey, I got no water with me.
Yeah. Got in the water.
I get in my hand.
Yanni, put your shoes on, boo.
All right, come on, Skylar. Put your shoes
Oh,
on.
she playing in the dirt.
Wait, yep,
Y'all
that's
wash
it.
your hands,
Yeah,
boo.
do this in the water.
Go like that.
Do this
Swish
in
it,
the,
swish it,
put it in
swish
the
it.
water and do this. Put it underwater and do this. Yep, underwater, yep. Do this, you can wash your hands.
It's so freezing cold.
This how you wash
We
your
walked all the way over there. I'm like,
hands. That's how you wash the mud off your hands.
Ethan, are you cold? Yes, you are. Don't lie.
Yeah, it don't feel that cold. It's actually.
it's not that.
No.
Maybe I'm just used to the tub water.
Yeah.
Very different.
Well, the deeper the water
Yeah, I was screaming.
That was cold.
Yeah.
I was screaming in that water. No, Nani, you
She
gonna
having
get dirty.
a ball. She a true nature girl.
Yeah, she is.
She having a ball.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Let's go see the other water.
Daddy,
That
it's
mosquito
you.
about to hit him.
Your face blue.
My face
Your
blue.
face blue. Yeah,
You
busy.
gonna have me panicking.
No.
I was gonna be like, something bit me when I was in the water.
Okay.
This is so peaceful.
Oh, I know. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
It used to
She
be
said
way
he
deeper
love
than
it.
this. I don't know what happened.
Mm-hmm.
It's my like. I think he would like spend his time like out in the woods. My dad had an RV for a while, and he
Oh, I
was
want one.
like perfect. Like it was like he was.
That's me.
I
Good.
look up, he'd be out there, just him in his shorts, just running around.
That's definitely me. I love nature.
Tube and just sit there.
Oh yeah, you're right. Sit in the water.
That is some clean, crystal clear water. Some good spring water.
Careful where you're throwing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Watch where you're throwing.
Look at
What
this.
is that?
What?
I see whatever this is got big legs. Some type of bug right here. Whatever it is got some huge legs.
Oh, it's hanging out of it. Oh, I see it.
Yeah, that's a spider.
It's a spider.
He red too.
A red spider.
Oh, Big Daddy long leg. It's a Big Daddy. Just chilling.
Let's see. Pull it out. I mean, let's see. Get it on the.
I got a big one.
Oh, look.
See, Big Daddy long leg. Never seen them this color though.
It's cute.
Yeah, they pretty chill. They don't bother me.
They don't
They
kill
supposed to be they supposed to be highly venomous, but they about too small to bite you. Here you go.
Okay. Yeah. Now you upside down. Look at her put hand.
She having fun. Now I know how to what type of person she is.
Yeah, she like nature stuff. She like dirt.
Camping and stuff,
Walking.
she'll have a ball. You know, RV riding, she'll have a ball. Or getting on them ATVs or them side by side, she probably pass out from having so much fun.
Good.
It feels good? Yeah, you walked better than she did in the water.
That's because I walk heavy. I got heavy feet.
You'll learn after a while how to walk in it. Then you'll be able to walk real fast, run through it.
It's a big one, right?
Made sure we had our water shoes because I was like, I knew he would just go right in.
Oh, we should get some of those.
So
Yeah.
I got those on Amazon.
Oh, Amazon.
And we can
So
walk
what
out
are they
there.
called?
I think I just Googled water shoes.
Water shoes. Okay. Yeah, we
And,
gotta get
and they're
that.
really nice.
Oh, no.
And you ain't got to worry about
It's
stepping
just
on
like
rocks.
maybe $30.
Okay.
Because I thought, you know,
Yeah,
they got the
those are
mesh,
nice
and then they had the thick tread on the bottom.
Yeah,
don't
that's
slip.
the one I need.
So you don't slip or
Almost
walking out, it
slipped. The
doesn't
rocks
hurt.
really hurt. Oh my god.
So now we know what we can get now. Some water shoes.
But yeah, that's what we.
That was a big one.
If you're either like the beach or here.
Yeah, those are necessary to keep in the car too.
Yeah.
Wore 'em- like he wore them to school the other day for his water day, and he wore them all day. So I feel like if they weren't comfortable,
He
You
wouldn't want to
wouldn't
wear
wear
them.
them. Yeah, they mean they really comfortable.
Yeah, those are super
Oh, yeah, we
comfortable.
getting some.
You keep trying to dry yourself off and
It's
get back in.
getting
It's
hot.
not very effective.
The water is?
Step in it a little more so you can get the dirt off you.
She having a ball.
we're not far
Look,
nowhere.
I didn't know I was able to do this.
You be good with that.
This is making me happy. Yeah, that's good spring water.
We're gonna skip it. East. Now, hey, sweetie, look. Those rocks can be a little slippery.
Yeah, they slippery. I know the ones back over there. are Slippery.
Anything, any rock that looks brownish, that's slippery.
Mm.
That was such a good one. I'm gonna walk in that.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Are you gonna say here it's Easton?
Sometimes you can see them turtles on logs too.
Really?
They'll be all up on the one log. No, well, I'll take you across the other side.
That
When
way?
you walk across that bridge, you hundreds of turtles on one log in the water. Just
What other
chilling.
side?
The side where them people was walking out on the mountain.
Oh, up
It's
there.
across the street. That's another side.
Oh,
That takes you to another. That takes you to this same water that stretches all over, but it gets deeper.
well.
What's walking like that? Cool.
Or Crocs would be good shoes to wear in the water too.
Oh, that was a huge one.
But
That's
they-
a huge
But
one.
they seem to want to come off your foot.
Yeah.
I was watching this.
Sports mode. What is that? The little latch got to go on the back of your ankle. Yeah, it's called sports mode. She said you got to put them in sports mode. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
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 They
Yeah.
look good.
Yeah. I'll stay looking for
These
it.
shoes are good for it.
Walking and stuff.
Yeah. In water.
Oh, and water too?
Oh, we gotta get some.
Waterproof.
Oh yeah.
That's all you need.
We out here with the wrong shoes.
Yeah. The wrong.
Get my feet in.
That's the only time I
I already got a
That's the
big
only
one.
time I let
Abby.
these pants get wet is if I saw a turtle.
This has sweet too.
Switch my arm.
I'm really gonna look at this boy.
Dang.
I didn't see it.
And it floated
You
up.
didn't see it.
I can see it.
Oh, look that way.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Too. We're gonna go up there. Y'all, my phone is like literally on 3 freaking %. So I'm just gonna have to get a few clips, just a little bit of footage. And we're gonna have to end it right here until I get in the car or something. Or the charger in. So yeah, I'll show y'all once we get over there to this little thing over there. Alright, bye. Okay, y'all, so my phone had finally freaking died. And oh, I got a little bump or something right there. But my phone had finally died. I just got back to the charger. I mean the car, and I put it on the charger. Yeah, I still got a lot of my clothes and stuff still in the car that I have not moved out of here yet. As of yet, I'm gonna move it out either today or tomorrow. I am going to put it up. But for now, yeah, we're driving with all our stuff in the car. This is the first time for everything. My baby wanna say, oh, did you say hi to the camera? But I wanted to show y'all how cheap this freaking gas is. It's like $3.70. Back Chicago gas was like, I think it was $4 or something. My baby got to speak to somebody. But yeah, we ate today. We ate some freaking McDonald's. We had McDonald's. And Skylar worked up an appetite. She didn't even eat her food, but she just worked up an appetite from all that walking and stuff we did. And she just came back to the car and ate her McDonald's. And yeah, I still got me some water from McDonald's.
Can I get some, Mama? Can I get some?
I was trying to save my water. Don't drink all of it.
Okay.
But y'all, I'm just so ready to get back to the house and take a shower or whatever and put on some clean clothes. Now I look like I did a few days ago. A mess. But, okay, yeah, I can take my water back.
What do you say?
Oh, thank you. She showed something.
Don't spill it.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. Brownie. Thank you, babe. I said I ain't going over the brownie there. I wanted some water too because. Why did you get Skylar brownie? Yeah, babe. Yeah, that's a brownie.
I'm gonna give you half that. That has a lot of sugar in it.
What the brownie?
Yeah. Yeah, we can buy it.
I just opened it.
Then the drink I just gave you got sugar in it. It's a fruit water. Flavor water.
Yeah. That's fine.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me, baby.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Breaking up a date for you. Sweet moving nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while.
anyway, guys, I had a very adventurous day, a very good day today. Y'all came along with me and see what everything that we did. We just made it back to the house. We all just showered, nice and clean, got on our PJs, and we about to hit the sheets. But actually, I'm about to edit 2 videos that I did, my moving vlog and this vlog. So I'm gonna sit here and edit both videos. And I guess I'll see y'all when I see y'all. I just want to say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new here, please come again. And if you are a regular subscriber, thank you for being here. I really appreciate you. But I'm going to end this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.